going to be. Really. No.
Thanks a lot.
No. I have to ask you a personal question, though. You can count.
No.
I'm sorry,
You stutter much, don't you? Okay. But seriously, okay? What I'd like you to do is, don't be afraid of me. I'm not going to hurt you, okay? Okay, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to count out loud. You're a little slow on that one. Okay?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these and just place them right over here for right now. Okay? But what I'd like to do is these rings are solid steel rings. You just cut me off.
Hey, me.
These are solid steel rings. Now, a lot of people think that they're trick rings, but they're not. They're solid steel. Would you take a look? Now, take a look at the ring. Do you see any slits, slots, or holes in there?
No.
You don't see that hole right there? That's a pretty good size hole, okay? Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is, for an example, is I'm going to take, I've got 2 of them, and I'm going to give you 2. But we're going to take the rings like this. Now watch carefully. We're just going to bring it over like that and just kind of link them right together, okay? Now, what you do like this, you take them, you bring them up like this, you can hold them, go like this. Now watch, you can see them actually separate right in front of your eyes, okay? Now, you go ahead and take this one here if you would. I'm going to take these rings here. In fact, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a couple of them, okay? Now, I'll just flip this one that way. Now, hold one up like this and one up like this, right? And you go like this. Now, watch carefully. You go like this. Now, as you go like this, you roll them. Okay, that's right. You roll them right over. That's right. Go like this and you link them. Now that she has them together like this, what we're going to...
I didn't do that.
Now, did you do what I said?
Yes.
Now, link them.
It didn't work.
Now, pay attention, okay? Okay? Now, let's take it like this. Go like this. Take those 2 there. Let's take this like this. Now that I've helped you get them together, okay? Go like this. Bring them up like this. Go like this. Just like this. Now up. Just like this. Now separate it right there. Just like. You're holding them cockeyed. You gotta hold it. Hold it. Now, lay. No, not mine.
Okay.
Now wait. Let go. Boy, excuse me, folks. Now, you've seen other magicians do linking rings, and that's what they do. Just what I did there. But then what they do is they take this ring, hook it to this one to this one, this one to this one, right down, and they end up having 8 rings together, right?
Right.
The problem is, if you put this one onto this one, you have not accomplished anything by putting this one onto that one. You can do it once, you can do it twice, 8 times. But what happens if you take each ring and link it together twice? Now you have advanced, and you've learned to do something a little more difficult. Watch close. Now, blow on that, please. Oh.
I've been drinking again.
You don't have to tell me. No, tell you what, blow on it that way. And hang on the bottom ring. That girl. Okay. Now, we're going to take this ring here like this. Going to tap it like that and put 2 on 1. Okay? You bring it up like this, grab it, you tap it like that, you tap it like that, you put 3 Okay? Now, blow on it, out that way. Now, we got 4. Now, if you do the same thing with the 4 that you did with the 3,
What can I tell you?
check just doubled. Exactly. You're a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Are you related to this? If you do the same thing with the 4 that you did with the 3, you have 8 links at one time. Watch close. Two in the middle. Now, for the conclusion, and that is this. These are solid steel rings, but I'm going to take each ring and interweave it between the other ones so that each ring is linked together 3 times. Ladies and gentlemen, that is 12 links simultaneously. Watch carefully. Are you ready? I've taken this particular effect around the world so that many people might see, so that someday I can sit back in my easy chair and be entertained. Thank you very much. Thank you.